Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today we will learn about phobias with meanings and pictures. Fear of speaking in public, glossophobia. Fear of heights, acrophobia. Fear of being alone, autophobia. Fear of clones, coulrophobia. Fear of blood, hemophobia. Fear of darkness, aclophobia. Fear of dogs, cynophobia. Fear of being alone, autophobia. Fear of snakes, ophidiophobia. Fear of time, chronophobia. Fear of colors, chromophobia. Fear of knowledge, noceophobia. Fear of pain, algophobia. Fear of being without phone, nomophobia. Subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.